Hello, DIY enthusiasts. Today, we're going to guide you through the process of removing and installing a temperature display on your walk-in cooler or freezer. Whether you're upgrading or troubleshooting, this step-by-step guide will make the process a breeze. Let's get started. Step 1. Always ensure your safety. Turn off the power to your unit to avoid any electrical accidents. Step 2. Grab a screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the temperature display. Be careful not to lose the 2 clear plastic washers located under the screws. They're important. Step 3. Gently take out the temperature display from the box. Handle it with care to avoid any damage. Step 4. Before disconnecting anything, either make a note or take a picture of how the unit is wired. This will help ensure you reconnect everything correctly later. Step 5. Using a small flat blade screwdriver, insert it into the slot under the wires in the terminal block. Release the clip, holding each wire in place. Repeat this step until all wires are disconnected. Step 6. Locate and unplug the black connector for the temperature probe. This will free up the old display for removal. Step 7. With the old display set aside, it's time to rewire the new display. Use your notes or pictures to ensure everything is connected properly. Step 8. Place the wires back into the box and position the new temperature display over the box. Make sure the holes line up. Then reinstall the 2 screws and plastic washers to secure it in place. Step 9. Now that everything is connected, it's time to power the unit back on. Double-check that the temperature display is set to the correct settings, and you're good to go. Congratulations! You've successfully removed and installed the temperature display on your unit. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY tutorials. Happy fixing, and see you next time.